And now it's time for Vantage Shots, images that tell the story. In Iceland, a volcano in the country's southwest erupts again, spewing lava. In Germany, it's a party behind the bars as female prisoners celebrate the Carnival. And move aside Super Bowl, it's time for Puppy Bowl. The US is celebrating 20 years of furry fun. Finally, we're taking you back in history. On this day in 1971, NASDAQ began trading in the US. It was the world's first electronic stock exchange. On any given day, over 2 billion shares are traded on the NASDAQ. We're leaving you on that note. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
From impeachments to inaugurations, if it's a political story, we are on the scene. The race for the White House is heating up.
We're beating Biden.
How dare he say that?
If it's breaking news, we're live with the latest coverage. From the White House, the State Department, and Capitol Hill, we know the issues, but above all, we know the players to bring you the latest in-depth analysis on all the key stories that we're covering. I'm Eric Ham. Join me from Washington here on Firstpost America.